Good day everyone. In this presentation, I will be promoting the importance of our local and oral history in Haniway. To truly discover Haniway, let's tackle its key areas by exploring its history, notable people, geography, culture, and important landmarks. These 5 aspects will help us to better understand how Haniway developed through time. The name Haniway is believed to have come from 2 versions, one from Han, a Datuk son, and Uway, a native reed plant rattan, and another version from Hani and Uway, meaning whisper in the reeds, which was later influenced by Spanish pronunciation, Haniway. The early origins of Haniway date back in 1578 when the natives from Talaugis settled along the Swagi River to escape from Moro raiders from the south. In 1738, Datuk Buhawi of Yabon recognized Spanish authority and brought his barangay under colonial rule. And between 1769 and 1770, Governor Francisco Bayot de Ocampo ordered the transfer of the seat of government to its present location, helping establish and strengthen the newly unified community known as Haniway. The first settlers of Haniway, Iloilo, established a settlement in the summer of 1578 along the Swagi River, led by the families of Gamok, Kotikon, Uganet, and Padakton. These families settled in areas now recognized as Barangay Matagob, Danau, Yabon, and Kipot. Notable people: Don Miguel Licawan, the first Kapitan Basal of Matagob, early Haniway in 1745, who helped establish early local governance under Spanish rule. Don Miguel Capriano Sr., a long-serving Kapitan Basal of Haniway who held office for 8 terms and helped maintain stable and continuous local governance during the Spanish period. Father Fernando Lorente initiated the construction of the iconic Haniway Catholic Cemetery in 1874. Dato' Tumagtol was a brave leader from Ubian who resisted Spanish colonization in Haniway. Instead of surrendering, he led his people to the mountains to remain independent. Datuk Buhawi of Yabon was an early leader in Haniway, around 1738, who chose to recognize Spanish authority. His decision helped maintain order and contributed to the town's development during the time of change. Virgilio Pirot Pecheler is a well-known Ilonggo musician and Hanarista who became an important cultural figure in Western Visayas and later lived in Haniway, Iloilo. Born in 1954 in Liminari, Iloilo, he gained popularity for his traditional songs such as Compauso and Harana, which reflect the daily life, struggle, humor, and values of Ilonggo people. His music became widely known in the radio and local communities, helping preserve and promote Hiligaynon language and culture. And this is the example of his work. Haniway is a landlocked municipality in central Iloilo, Philippines, covering 179.10 square kilometer with a population of 66,786. Its geography features flat agricultural plains in the east and rolling hills in the west, divided by the Swagi and Magapa rivers. The town has a tropical climate, 60 barangays, and is 33 km from Iloilo City. Haniway is a historic town in Iloilo, shaped during the Spanish colonial period when early settlements were organized under Capitanes Basales. Spanish influence introduced governments, religion, and public structures, leaving lasting landmarks like the St. Julia of Cuenca Church and Haniway Cemetery. Culture. The Sorong Festival is an annual eco-agricultural celebration in Haniway, Iloilo, held every last week of April to showcase the town's rich heritage, history, and resilience. It features Kinambon tribal performance highlighting local myths and traditions, alongside showcases of agricultural products and tourist attractions like the town's historical ruins. Agriculture in Haniway, a first-class municipality in Iloilo, is the primary economic driver centered on rice, corn, sugar, coffee, and coconut production. Largely supported by the Swagi and Magapa rivers, the town characterized by flat agricultural plains and hilly areas. Haniway Siomai is famous for its homemade taste and family recipes. It's meaty, flavorful, and very affordable, just 10 pesos for 3 pieces, making it local favorite of my hometown. Haniway is known for its beautiful tourist spots that showcase both nature and ecotourism. Some of its popular attractions include the Miris Hill Tierra Verde, a scenic destination known for its relaxing environment, green landscape, and outdoor activities. Another must-visit place is Igbiating Cave and Waterfalls, which offers an adventurous experience with its natural cave formation and refreshing waterfalls.